Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Anish Giri and Charleshouse. This is a game from IoM tournament played in 2018. Anish Giri had white pieces and he started with e4. Charleshouse played c5, the Sicilian defense. Knight to f3, the standard move. e6, d4, c takes on d4. Knight takes on d4, knight to f6, knight to c3, d6, the Scheveningen variation. White to move. Anish Giri decided to go for the Keres attack. g4, I love g4, the Keres attack. This move promises a good fight. h6, the standard move. Rook to g1, knight to c6, bishop to e3, a6 controlling b5 square, h4 intending g5 in some variations. Black to move, d5. h5 is a very popular move here. Charleshouse played d5. e takes on d5, knight takes on d5, knight takes on d5, e takes on d5. Queen to d2, intending to castle queenside. Maybe. Bishop to e7, threatening. Bishop takes on h4. How to defend the pawn? What would you do? h5. Anish Giri castled queenside, sacrificing the pawn on h4. Bishop takes on h4. Knight takes knight on c6. B takes on c6. White to move. How would you continue now? Anish Giri played bishop to c5. This is very annoying move. Black to move. Bishop to e6. If bishop to e7, then bishop takes on e7. And if king takes on e7, black is losing the castling rights. And if queen takes on e7, then rook to e1 is uncountable. After bishop to e6, f4 threatening f5, castling f5, queen to c5, attacking the rook, but after bishop to d3, white is better. Back to our game. Bishop to e6 was played. f4. White's position is much easier to play. Queen to b8, king to b1, bishop to f6, threatening queen takes on b2 checkmate. How would you defend the pawn? c3, b3, or something else? Anish Giri played c4, defending the pawn on b2 and attacking the pawn on d5. It makes sense to open up the game, because black in the castle. Rook to a7, c takes on d5, rook to b7. 3 attackers and 2 defenders on the pawn on b2. I guess b3 comes to mind. How will you continue? Anish Giri played bishop to a3. This is a very powerful bishop, isn't it? It is defending and attacking. Bishop takes on d5. White to move. Giri was choosing between bishop takes on a6 and bishop to g2. He picked a quieter looking one. Bishop to g2, putting the pressure on the bishop on d5. And now something very interesting happened. Charleshouse lost his patience and captured on b2 in order to castle kingside. If rook goes to b5, then rook from g to e1, check, king to d8. And this is not a happy place for the king, is it? That is why Charleshouse was frustrated and played bishop takes on b2, bishop takes on b2. So this is a piece sacrifice in order to castle kingside. Charleshouse castle kingside, bishop takes on d5, c takes on d5. White to move. How would you continue now? White played a move which is very simple but very strong at the same time. What move is that? Perhaps queen to d4 comes to mind too. King to a1, unpinning and freeing the very powerful dark squared bishop. Rook to d8, defending the pawn. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is... what would you do? I think g5 is asking to be played. Black resigned. Poor black king was never safe, was he? For the entertainment purpose, I will show you just one line. H takes on g5. Bishop takes on g7. King takes on g7. Rook takes on g5 check. King to f8. Queen to d4. Queen to d6. Queen to g7 check. King to e8. Rook to e5 check. Rook to e7. Rook from e takes on d5. Black is lost. Queen takes on d5. Then rook takes queen. Or maybe there is even a stronger move. Queen to h8 check. King to d7. Rook takes on d5 check. King to c6. Queen takes on d8. Rook to e1 check. King to b2. Rook to e2 check. Rook to d2. And I guess we can stop here. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.